तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्।
गजवदना गणनाथ नाथ गजवदना गणनाथ नाथ गौरी वरतनया गौरी वरतनया गुणालया गजवदना गणनाथ विद्यादायक बुद्धिप्रदायक विद्यादायक बुद्धिप्रदायक सिद्धिविनायक हे शुभदायक सिद्धिविनायक हे शुभदायक गजवदना गणनाथ गौरी वरतनया गुणालया विद्यादायक बुद्धिप्रदायक सिद्धिविनायक हे शुभदायक सिद्धिविनायक हे शुभदायक लंबोदरा जय गौरी सुता लंबोदरा जय गौरी सुता गणाधिपा जय गजानना गणाधिपा जय गजानना
नंद के दुलारे यशोदा के प्यारे, नंद के दुलारे यशोदा के प्यारे, गोविंद मुरारे दिनों के सहारे, गोविंद मुरारे दिनों के सहारे, नंद के दुलारे यशोदा के प्यारे, करुणा सागर गिरिधर नागर, करुणा सागर गिरिधर नागर, मुरली मनोहर साई मुरारी, मुरली मनोहर साई मुरारे, नंद के दुलारे यशोदा के प्यारे, गोविंद मुरारे दिनों के सहारे, नंद के दुलारे यशोदा के प्यारे, करुणा सागर गिरिधर नागर, मुरली मनोहर साई मुरारी, मुरली मनोहर साई मुरारी, यशोदा के प्यारे। जय मां आनंदमयी जननी, जय मां आनंदमयी जननी, सबको कृपा करो जननी, सबको कृपा करो जननी, भक्त जनों के मंगल करने, भक्त जनों के मंगल करने, मंगल करो जननी मां, मंगल करो जननी सबको कृपा करो जननी सबको कृपा करो जननी जय मां आनंदमयी जननी सबको कृपा करो जननी भक्त जनों के मंगल करनी मंगल करो जननी मां प्रेमदायिनी सबको कृपा करो जननी सबको कृपा करो जननी जय
कालातीताय सिद्धिरूपाय योगेश्वराय नमो कालातीताय सिद्धिरूपाय योगेश्वराय नमो जगतिताय विश्वरूपाय जगतिताय विश्वरूपाय साईश्वराय नमो सत्य साईश्वराय नमो ओम नमः शिवाय शिवाय 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 नमो कालातीताय सिद्धिरूपाय योगेश्वराय नमो जगतिताय विश्वरूपाय साई योगेश्वराय नमो। ॐ नमः शिवाय शिवाय 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 नमो। कालातीताय सिद्धिरूपाय योगेश्वराय नमो।
अयोध्यावासी राम है द्वारक में आए। अयोध्यावासी राम है द्वारक में आए। द्वारकवासी श्याम है शिरडी में आए। द्वारकवासी श्याम है शिरडी में आए। शिरडीवासी श्याम है परति सत्य साई। शिरडीवासी श्याम है परति सत्य साई। बोलो राम साई राम, बोलो सत्य साई राम। बोलो राम साई राम, बोलो सत्य साई राम। अयोध्यावासी राम है द्वारक में आए। द्वारकवासी श्याम है शिरडी में आए। शिरडीवासी श्याम है पति सत्य साई। बोलो राम साई राम, बोलो सत्य साई राम। बोलो राम साई राम, बोलो सत्य साई राम। अयोध्यावासी राम है द्वारक में आए।
हरि नारायण हरि नारायण हरि नारायण भज रे। हरि नारायण हरि नारायण हरि नारायण भज रे। हरि नारायण नारायण भजुरे हरि नारायण हरि नारायण हरि नारायण भजुरे श्याम सुंदरा मदन गोपाला सुंदरा मदन गोपाला सच्चिदानंदा साई गोपाला सच्चिदानंदा साई गोपाला गोपी गोपालना भजुरे हरि नारायण हरि नारायण हरि नारायण भजुरे हरि नारायण हरि नारायण हरि नारायण भजुरे हरि नारायण हरि नारायण हरि नारायण भजुरे सुंदरा मदन गोपाला सच्चिदानंदा साई गोपाला गोपी गोपालना गोपी गोपालना गोपी गोपालना भजुरे हरि नारायण हरि नारायण भजुरे हरि नारायण भजुरे हरि नारायण भजुरे चित्त चोरा मुरली वाला चित्त चोरा मुरली वाला नंद लाल नंद गोपाल नंदलाल नंद गोपाला नंदलाला 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 वृंदावन श्याम गोपाला वृंदावन श्याम गोपाला मथुरा व्रज गोकुल बाला मथुरा व्रज गोकुल बाला मनमोहन मदन गोपाला मनमोहन मदन गोपाला नंदलाला 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 नंदलाल नंद गोपाला नंदलाला 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 चित चोरा मुरली वाला नंदलाल नंद गोपाला नंदलाला नंदलाला वृंदावन श्याम गोपाला मथुरा व्रज गोकुल बाला मनमोहन मदन गोपाला नंदलाला नंदलाला नंदलाल नंद गोपाला नंदलाला 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 चित चोरा मुरली वाला.
Now here Vibhishan, he left Lanka and being a Rakshas, he came by the skyward path over the ocean. Ram said, Vibhishan, the brother of that Ravan who has kidnapped Jagat Janani, why have you come here? He says, Maharaj, I have come only for one reason. Sugriv gave the instruction to all the monkeys and bears, come on then, let us progress. And at rapid speed, the army moved ahead until they reached the Samudra Tat, the bank of the ocean, seashore. There they camped. Now this news reached Lanka, that Ram has come with a whole army. The Nagarvasis are scared. The servant of Ram came and burnt the whole city. Now the master has come. What is he going to do? But they only speak in whispers. They don't speak that in front of Ravan. They are scared of him. Ravan also got the news. So he called a meeting of his mantris. Vibhishan was also there. Ravan said, I have heard that the Tapasvi has come with his army. What do you think we should do? So all the mantris, they spoke words to please him. Are Maharaj, what is there to fear? These monkeys and bears are the food that we eat. There is nothing to worry about. You are such a heroic king. Nobody in this world come anywhere near you. Vibhishan spoke up. Vibhishan said, really? Monkeys and bears are your diet? What happened when that one monkey came and burnt the whole city? Why did you not counter him? Vibhishan then spoke to Ravan. He said, Maharaj, my dear brother, I need to speak some important words to you. You made a very big mistake by kidnapping Sita. Nevertheless, there is still time to make amends because Ram is extremely kind and merciful. You return Sita and ask for forgiveness. That is the only way. Otherwise, this whole Rakshas Kul will be destroyed. Ravan did not like those words and he kicked Vibhishan. He said, you fool, you are staying with me and you are praising my enemy. So, Tulsidas Ji says, the Lakshan of a saint, somebody who has done bad to him, he is still trying to do good. Vibhishan caught his brother's leg and said, my dear brother, I am requesting you, consider my word seriously. Ravan said, if you are so fond of Ram, why don't you go to him? Vibhishan decided that is the best option. Instead of catching the feet of this Rakshas, why not catch the feet of Ram himself? So Vibhishan got up and he left Lanka. So the moment Vibhishan left Lanka, the destiny of Lanka changed. It is just like Mirabai. Her husband had passed away and she was engaged in her devotion, and her brother-in-law, Rana Vikramjit, he was tormenting her in different ways. And finally, when Mirabai could not tolerate it any longer, she left Chittorgarh and went from there to Vrindavan. So the moment she left, Chittorgarh became Nistej. It started experiencing famine, started experiencing droughts. And Mirabai, after 2 years in Vrindavan, went to Dwarkadhish in Gujarat. So Mirabai stayed there with Dwarkadhish Bhagwan 8 years consecutively. Chittorgarh experienced famine. And then people convinced Rana Vikramjit that, look, the way you behaved with such a great saint, that was incorrect. You are, and all the people are bearing the consequences. He then asked his people, go and bring her back. They came to meet Mirabai in Dwarkadhish Mandir, and they said, Rana is asking for forgiveness and he wants you to come back. At that time, the temple darshan was open. So Mirabai, she looked at Dwarkadhish Bhagavan and she said, where should I go now? And she walked into the sanctum sanctorum and she walked into the Murti. amongst the few saints who left Sar Sharir was Mirabai. Now here Vibhishan, he left Lanka, and being a Rakshas, he came by the skyward path over the ocean. When Vibhishan came, first of all, Sugriv received the news. So Sugriv went and spoke to Ram. He said, Maharaj, you know who has come? Ram said, who? Vibhishan, the brother of that Ravan who has kidnapped Jagat Janani. Ram knows the mansha with which Vibhishan is coming, because Ram is sitting in Vibhishan's heart. So Ram doesn't need any report from a third person. So nevertheless, Sugriv is Ram's friend, and Ram has to keep the maryada of mitrata. So Ram said, Sugriv, in your opinion, what niti should we adopt? Sugriv said, Maharaj, you are asking me? Jani na jai nisachar maya काम रूप के ही कारण आया भेद हमार लेन साठ आवा राखी बांधी मोही असभावा. In my opinion, don't trust this Rakshas one bit. Tie him up in a rope and throw him in the cellar. Ram said, Sakha niti tumani ki vichari. My dear friend, the policy you have set is very good, but it applies to the world, not to me. Mama pana sharanagata bhaya hari. My resolve is, whoever surrenders to me, I will accept. This is Vibhishan. If Ravan comes, I will accept him as well. So, on Ram's instruction, Sugriv went and got Vibhishan. Vibhishan now came in the presence of Ram. And from far he saw Ram and went into Bhavavesh. Duri te dekhe dvau bhrata nayananand dan ke data. Bahuri Ram chhabi dham viloki rahyo thidhaki ek tak pal rokhi. Nayan neer पुलकित अति गाता मन धरि धीर कही मृदु बाता. He went into samadhi, he is looking, and his voice has got choked, tears are flowing out, his body is trembling. So in that state he remained, and then he went in front of Ram. So he introduced himself. Nath Dasanan Karme Bhrata. You know, Maharaj, that Ravan who has kidnapped Sita, I am his brother. He is telling all his defects. He is not saying that, Ram, I have got 4 factories and 5 bungalows. He is telling his defects. He says, Maharaj, that Ravan who has stolen Sita, I am his brother. Nisichara Vansha Janma Suratrata. So, if one brother is bad, doesn't mean the other brother is also bad. Hare Maharaj, listen to my complete parichay. I have been born in Rakshas Kul, in a family of demons, and you are Suratrata, the protector of the Devatas. So what? In Rakshas Kul, even Prahlad was born. For the sake of Prahlad, Bhagavan took avatar, Nrisingha avatar. So you are not disqualified just because you are in Rakshas Kul. Hare Maharaj, please let me complete. Sahaja Papa Priya Tamas Deha Jatha Ulu Kahi Tam Paraneha. I have a tamasi body. And all my life I have sinned. Just like the ullu loves darkness, I love to sin because of my body. So Vibhishana is come with such a humble bhav. Ram says, why have you come here? If you are so terrible. Maharaj, I have come only for one reason. Hanumanji explained, your glory is to me. Shravana suyasha suniyaehu Prabhu bhajan bhavabhira Trahi trahi arata harana Sarana sukhadara ghubira. He explained that you are Sharanagat Vatsal. You are the protector of the surrendered souls. So I have come, Maharaj. Now whether you accept me or you don't, that is up to you. That Sugriv, who had told that we should tie him up with a rope, he started looking at how elevated is Vibhishan's state. Where is Vibhishan and where am I? Sugriv remembered the first time he had Ram Darshan. He looked from far and he said, Are, Hanuman, who are they? Are they not Bali's people? Go and find out. And Hanuman went and came and said, they are Bhagavan. But Sugriv did not believe. He took a test of the Lord and then decided Bali badhab in bhai paratiti. He can kill Bali, so it is beneficial to be a friend. Sugriv thought, what a swarthi person I am, and look at this Vibhishan. He saw from far. So Ram now, he addressed him. Kahu Lankesha Sahita Parivara Kushal Kuthahara Vasa Tumara. He addressed Vibhishan as Lankesh. Lankesh, how is he? How are you? And how is your family? So Sugriv said, you made him Lankesh? Definitely. Hanuman, get some Samudra Jal. We will do his Raj Tilak right away. So he did the Raj Tilak of Vibhishan, announced him as Lankesh. He then asked Vibhishan, how can we cross this ocean? What should we do? Vibhishan said, Maharaj, the Devata of the ocean is your Kul Devata. So first of all, you try and please him. Do some tapasya on the Samudra Tat. He will be pleased and he will give way. So he gave this alternative of pacifism. Lakshman said, this is not right. You just show him an Agni Band and he will give way. Ram said, let's try it out. So Ram sat down to do his tapasya at the Samudra Tat.
Om Jai Jagadish Hare Swami Satya Sai Hare Bhaktadana Samrakshak Bhaktadana Samrakshak Bhakti Maheshwara Om Jai Jagadish Hare Shashi Bhagana Shri Kala Sarva Pranapati Swami Sarva Pranapati Ashrita Kalpaladika Ashrita Kalpaladika Avartandava Om Jai Jagadish Hare Mata Pita Guru Devam Mariyantayunive Swami Mariyantayunive Nana Brahma Jagannatha Nana Brahma Jagannatha Nagendra Shayana Om Jai Jagadish Hare नारायण समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु शांति शांति शांति। जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा।